Now we're going to make the diamond box, but with a difference. This one has got an aperture inside here with a diamond effect. Now these can also be used as a template for making your patchwork, so that you could, if you've got a basic box, you could use all these bits you cut out and decorate it with those. I'll show you that later. Anyway, you need to print out onto a thin piece of paper your basic design. This is the top. I'm going to use some gold here. I've done exactly the same with the bottom part of the box too, and I've just cut roughly round it and just taped it down with some masking tape. Now where the dotted lines are, that's where you crease, so then you're just going to take an embossing tool and go all the way around it and just crease through. You can put a foam sheet underneath if you want to give you more depth. But then when you've done all that, you need to cut out all of these sections, and if you do them really accurately, then you can use those to decorate another box. And it's simply just using a metal ruler and just cut through with your scalpel. And there you can see I've cut out the first diamond, well, triangle shape. Do that to the rest of them there. When you cut them out, save these because we'll do something else with those. When you've cut all that out and you've scored all the lines like I've done here, then cut the rest of the design out and then just assemble it like you do in the basic diamond box. Now you can see the template is fully cut out here, and all you've got to do is fold over and just crease it and stick it together following the instructions that are in the basic diamond box shape. Now there you can see I've actually cut that out and bent it and stuck it together there. That's created the lid. I've also made one here with a base that fits onto there like so, like that. So you can have it like that. If you want, you could turn the base, bend it the other way so you'd have like a gold inside as well. Now you can also the bases are also in the small version there for the bottom, so you could have a double one like that, so that could become any, so you've got a box which is two-sided. You could stand it like that, make it like a Christmas tree or a diamond, or stand it on its side. You could have a little light inside it, something like that. I'll just show you how I made that. Inside here I've got some acetate on the inside there. So basically all that you do is take one of the templates and just cut it down a little bit smaller. So I've got some acetate underneath there. It's just a question now of just cutting that out and then sticking that down inside the box. Now just taking a little bit of glue, just put a little bit of glue on the inside. You don't have to put it everywhere. And then I've done the rest already. Then take your piece of acetate, that just slots in there and sticks down. Just leave that to dry a little bit and then you can use it on your box. So then you've got two alternatives. The first one is that where you've got the aperture on the top. You can fill that with sweets and chocolates or diamonds or whatever you want. There's the basic box, and again you could turn that inside out so you've got the gold on the inside. Or alternatively, you could cut the back out as well from the template, so you've got a top and a bottom. There's the bottom, top goes over the top there, so you've got double the aperture there, and I think that looks fantastic. I'll make a nice little lamp. You could put the little fairy lights in there. You can make all the different sizes. Great for a diamond wedding anniversary or anything diamond related. I think they're beautiful boxes. So much you can do with them.